So you can see with our hood, has a little bulge in the center for our LS engine. We have the engine up nice and high, so we got plenty of ground clearance. So you come around on the back side of the hood, you see the back side of it as well as finished off. We kind of changed our hinges a little bit, because our hinge idea is to bring the radiator down. We moved the radiator down, and these hinges enable us to bring the hood up, and now we'll be able to design an air cleaner to go down and get in front of the cord support. So back side of the hood is finished off like all of our hoods. Has a little rise in the middle, approximately 3/4 of an inch for clearance reasons. And we've hooked up lineal actuators that if you look inside the inner fender there, you'll see where they're mounted and hidden out of the way. And that's it. You had enough? Or do you want to see the hood one more time? Tucked away hidden, we'll have a cover that we're going to make that goes over the top of that to conceal it and keep it out of the weather. Believe me, this is a fun time in my life. Used to be shunned on for customizing a Corvette. Today it's kind of changed a little bit. So it makes it a lot more fun. Hard to sleep at night, but we get some sleep. Thanks for watching.